Howdy folks, and welcome back. Thanks for checking in. Good morning to you. We're headed back out to the garden and we're starting to set the exterior fence for the chicken moat. I got the front line done the other day and now I'm moving on to one of the sides. We're doing a dry pour method, but the problem with that is that right now we're getting a little bit of rain. So if you've never seen a dry pour method, I just discovered it last year. It's a really convenient way to set posts, and that'll be what I'm showing you today. But like I said, we're getting a little bit of rain. The cement's starting to get a tad bit wet in the bags, so I want to get rolling on this so that we keep everything nice and tidy.
We got a great deal on our posts, but they were all mismatched lengths, somewhere in between 8 and 9 feet. So the plan is to mark off 6.5 feet tall on all of them, so that much will be sticking out of the ground, and the rest, whatever's left, usually about 2 feet, is going to go underneath. We throw some rocks down in the bottom. This helps to make sure that we don't get too much moisture collecting underneath, and a little bit of concrete to make sure it's nice and smooth for the post to sit on. Then we line it up with the other posts that are going to be a part of the fence, and once I've got the base where I want, I start to fill in a little bit more concrete. Once you get enough, the post will be able to stand up on its own, and you can check with a level to see if you're plumb, which means you're straight up and down. Make any fine adjustments you need. Once you have it to a nice plumb position, you can continue to fill up the rest of the hole. And then check your plumb again. Sometimes pouring in concrete can shift it a little bit. Once that's set, we move on to the next post. Same process again. Make sure it's deep enough, put some rocks down in the bottom. Set your post. Once you've marked it, make sure it's at the right height. Fill it up till you can stand it on its own. Check with your level to see that you're plumb, and then keep filling up the hole. You can see there I nudged it a little bit, so we want to check it with that level, make sure it's where we want it to be, and then on to post number 3. Here I'm needing to make some adjustments because I put in a few too many rocks and it was a little too high. Once it's plumb, fill it up the rest of the way.
Cool, that's the concrete for 3 of them poured, and then we're going to do the last step for setting these posts, which is we've just got to water them.
As I water, I'm going to water right on top of the concrete, and I'm also going to water around it. That's because this concrete is going to pull in moisture from the surrounding soil, and once it gets saturated all the way, it's going to harden up and turn into a full concrete plug that's going to keep our posts nice and stable.
So it's about a week later, and as you can see, these dry pour posts are all sturdy and solid, not gonna go anywhere. And that's it. That's how you do it. So I hope that this helps you out. If you've got any tips for me, let me know. I've been getting great tips from you guys. It's helping out a lot. So keep those coming. I really do appreciate them. And thanks for all the comments that you all leave. Good luck with what you're doing. Have a wonderful day. Be happy, be healthy, be safe. And I'll catch you all next time.